Hello everyone, this time I am back with another laboratory. This time we're doing the third one, and this one isn't actually that hard. This time the teacher gave me everything, like how the application looks, how the code for everything, and yeah, let's get started. We have to do one, two, and two applications, each with a separate task. So let's get started. I already created the first application, which is to complete the vehicle, the car, whatever, call it however you want. It's a car, yeah. So let's minimize the application. Let's put it like this. We see that we need they tell our needs here. We need the two labels. Let's go to toolbox, one label, Control D, Control C, Control V. I will go to the second label. The first one I'm gonna put it here, and Skoda Fabian. But you know what? I'm gonna put another card. For example, let's say Ford Mustang. I really like this card. It's from Fast and Furious. I really liked it from that movie. We need to do the text size 18. So we go to font size or font and set it to 18, like so. It's also bolded out. That's also a thing. Let's do that as well. Bold. Okay. Looks great. Prețul de bază. So default price, let's set that to prețul de bază. And let's Google how much is a Ford Mustang. Around $38,000, $40,000. Let's go to the website and see what's the pricings here. It's loading for a bit. No, my god, I just need a simple sample price. This is no ad for. It's starting at 28,000. Features. May I see the features? No. They said doesn't work. Oh, there you go. I need to know my zip code. Okay, let's say for the Mustang pricings and oh my god, okay, here we go. I think this would work. Would it? Let's use your current location. Allow. Okay. Start your build. Acknowledge. Allow. Choose your model. Okay, let's choose a different car, for example, Dacia Logan. This is a car from Moldova, which should be available. uh, say stock to see what they have in stock. Let's say model Dacia. Let's take the first one. Okay. Neskak lista de prețuri. Jogger. And let's see what they have for us. What did they ask us to do here? Okay, so they have the settings option. Let's do this one first from the task. It's not like not for Mustang. Let's call it how is it? Dacia Jogger. Dacia Jogger was. Let's call it Dacia Jogger. Jogger. Okay, pet to the bus. Also have to change this text to pentru completații de bază, and we have to set it to 16. Right, let's set the font to 16. And let's go. That's the buzz. How much it was? It 10,000, 12,000 euros. That's about $480,000 MDL. Is that right? 12,000 euro to MDL. 12,000. I doubled up the price by accident. So 240,000. That's right. Okay, next we need a group box. So let's go to toolbox and let's add a group box. We have group box. For it we need to make the background color yellow. You know, let's just do this for now. Let's make the background color to yellow. Again, let's go yellow. Custom yellow, like that. And let's go to text. What is the text? Facilități suplimentare. And let's say its font size will be 16. Yeah, around 16 should be. Like so. And let's add the elements. Where are they? Okay, then let's add them from here. Select. How is it? Checkbox. Yes. Here's we have a few checkboxes. Let's go with the font size. Let's make it 14. 14. We need about 3 of those, so let's make this a bit bigger. And Ctrl V, Ctrl V. So we got 3 of those now. Just like so. Let's name the first one, as I said, ABS. Parktonic. And security. Securitate. Okay, now we need a button. Okay, so we need the checkboxes as in here. First one is named GB ABS. The second one is named checkbox Parktonic, CB Parktonic. And third one, GB Security, Securitate. Not B, CB. Okay. Now in the button. normal button. Let's put it here. Make it just a little bit bigger, like so. Let's make it text to calculism, which stands for calculate in for my language, and no name. No name. Anything else? Yeah, we need to add a picture box. Picture box like so. Let's get the image of the car. Can I get an image? I cannot. Open image new tab. There we go. My computer repos where they source repos lab 6 lab 3. No, that's not the thing. Why is it this here? Go back up like that. Let's go to the folder binary debug net 6 and save it as dacha.jpg. Okay, now let's get the image. Import. I could have just. Let's go back to source repos 3. This. Here we go. We have the image. Okay. Let's put the tab here. Another tab here. Let's close this. Not that one. Close this by accident. This. We don't need this anymore. Let's wait for it to load real quick. Okay, so okay, sorry, I had a bit of confusion. Okay, so picture size. Get picture size to stretch. Where is the stretch? Yeah, stretch. And other properties. No. That's it. So this whole application looks so far. Color looks a bit funny, chunky color. Okay, so with the button. We really not give no name to the button. I'm gonna call it BT calculator. Could that be nice after all? Okay, so did not say this, but let's add a panel. You know what? Let's add a label right here. Put it here. Remove the auto size. Set it to false. And move this like this. The pricing, let's put it to 16. Yeah, 16 works. Let's put its background colors to custom and a green, like so. And the text, let's move the text and result, label result, like so. Okay, let's go within the button. Okay, we got the button, and now let's get to programming. So I have to add this. Okay, so let's add a public in public double initial car sum equals 240,000. Oh my god, it really annoys me when I have the code because I don't know what it's supposed to do. So they give us here a double discount and total equals 0, 0. It should be right. So if CB ABS dot checked, then we're gonna add the discount. What did I use the discount for? Very confusing. Double discount. I don't know if we declare it here. Let's say double price. Let's name it extra price. And let's add to the extra price plus equal 8500. Hey, I'm gonna add 8,000 just to be fair, like this. So if CB electronic checked, I'm keeping adding zeros. Let me move the application like so. Now it's more of my scene. Sorry for before not noticing this. Oh, it's not a sign, so let's make it a 0. And extra price plus equal 20,000 and last one should be security checked extra price plus equal 12,000, like so. Okay. Let's make a double total price equals initial sum plus yeah, total price. It's confusing me so bad because the results are there, and I have to inspect the code, and I kind of hate it a bit because I have to deal with extra code that's not mine. I have to figure out what it did there and why does it work. Initial card sum plus extra price, like so. let's say string result equals costur completației selectate este plus total price dot to string plus a. Okay, like so. Okay, now one more check. If not GB. Also if GBABS dot checked and GB Parktonic dot checked and GB security dot checked, then extra price times equal 0.1 total minus equal extra price. And result it's equal to reducere 10%. You know what? Reducere 10%. Like so. Let's add here the discount, the total price. Oh, it's discount, so extra price. And minus n slash n, not minus n. Total is gonna be total price again. Like so. Let me move this text extra line. Let's go down here and let's how to name the label. How was its name? Label result. Result dot text equals result. Okay, let's go into the code once more, and I'm gonna do a bit of refactoring here and there. Yes, lay. Okay, again, guys, if you have any questions or if any more experienced programmers than me have any thoughts and have any suggestions about my code, please leave them below. Tell me what's wrong. Tell me what could I improve. Tell me what's the red flags I have in programming, because I think I'm doing my job pretty alright. I'm doing my job alright, and I see nothing really that bad that could happen. I am keeping clean code and keeping it dry. Don't wanna create too much. Okay, let's add ABS. It added 8,000. Let's add all of them. So now the text is too big. So a fix for that would be to just make the application a little bit bigger. Come on, I know we can do it. Takes a bit to load. Let's make it a little bigger like so, and let's make this a little bigger as well, like so. Okay, so have it like this. 268,000 and all of them total. Yep, that's alright, but we forgot here to add one extra string, so let's go back there. Oh yeah, here, lay. Okay, should be good. So now we need to add as the extra task say, to add extra 3. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to make this a little bigger in this direction. I actually don't like the car how it looks, you know. Let's do it like a bit like this. So, like so. Okay, let's put this by side here. Control V, Control C, Control V. Like so. And we can actually make this a bit smaller because I really don't like big UIs, you know. You open them on your screen and they just go all over your screen. So, and like so. It's a personal preference to like smaller screens, but I also like bigger screens for programming. I just don't like big UIs. Okay, so let's name you BT extra. You know, BT, not BT. Checkbox, local, and let's say text. Plus door local, Pactonic. What do we want to call you? What do I have here? We don't have that. We do have it here though. We don't. So let's make some motor vidoi. I'm actually not so good in cars. So CB motor. Let's go to the text and let's put motor, and here what do we put here? What shall I do with this? What shall I put? So let's add, you know, chibi tile. You know what? And let's put this rata, which means tile from plus 2 local, that means plus 2 passenger seats, plus 2 seats in general. So let's say rata reserve, like so. Okay, so this is CB tire, CB motor, stay up, CB motor, and CB local, yeah. So let's go further. If CB tire extra price plus equal 2000, checked. And let's copy this, paste and paste, and CB motor plus, let's say 10,000 because the motor is expensive, as I know. So, and let's say CB local plus 2000, yeah, that works out. No, you know what, let's put 1,000. So now I'm gonna add another statement. Uh, in fact, I kinda made a mistake. I want to do all of this now. So I'm gonna add integer modifications added equals 0. So modifications added plus plus. Now I want to do this to all of them. So let's copy this part. 20,000 for this. 12,000 for this. How much was this? 2,000. 2,000 for this. 10,000 for this, was it? Yep. And 1,000 for this. Okay, so instead of this code, we're gonna add if modifications added bigger than 3 and modifications added smaller than 6, then this is the price. Else if modifications why modifications are modifications I literally wrote a bit wrong, so let's change the variable name real quick. Let's do a quick rename. Modifications added like so, and everything should be alright. So let's get this, put it back here, and let's make a 25% discount for this guy who bought all the modifications. Should be great. Let's run the code, and let's buy 3 of those, for example. I get 10%, and if I go with all of them, I get 13,000. Wow. You still get 10% discount when you buy less, about 3 of them. Nice. Yep, everything works fine. So this application is done. How much I have been recording for? Half an hour. I have been recording for half an hour. Wasn't that a hard of an application? Let's move to the second one. It is called Photo App. Instinct. Oh, right, from here I forgot to add one small thing. When they are checked, this should be the result should be cleared. So I'm quickly gonna do collapse this. I'm gonna add public void bt, not bt, clear result on change. Not checkbox changed. Yes, checkbox changed. Object sender event args e result label result dot text equals string dot empty. So let's copy the name. Let's select all six of them. Go to the events and changed. What is it? Checked changed, yeah. Oh my god, it created this one. God damn it. I double clicked instead of clicking, but it works, I guess. So you see, by selecting all six of them and double clicking on the event, it referenced six of them, so they all have this event now. So let's quickly rename it to um, checkbox mod checkbox check changed. So now I'm gonna when I'm gonna run it. Let's say I'm calculating this. No, it's removing it. Like it should. So yeah, this is a cool life hack. You can just assign multiple. You can assign multiple elements to a same event. No, okay, it doesn't work anymore. Right. Anyway, let's move on to the second one, named photo app. And let's insert object. Oh, not insert, new project. And let's call it photo app. Photo app. .NET 6. Create. Waiting for the instance to finish initializing. Let's see what it wants from us. Yes, so we're gonna need a group box with radio buttons this time. Or we need the amount and calculator. Let's do that real quick. We need to add a group box. Like so. Scale the application down because no reason. Let's put the text to tune photography. Need a label. They call it label. Bit funny. Let's go text size and make it 16. I will check the sizes in a bit. Just I know we have to make this background color to yellow. Label 1 text introduceți cantitatea, and this as well. Let's make it 16. It's in the text box here. We go. Each size will make it 14, and a button to calculate. And text size, let's make it 14 as well. And it's text to calculate. My Z is not working. Okay, let's make this as big as those ones. And this, let's keep it down like this. A toolbox, let's add a label. What do you call it, label? I have to understand myself. Put it like this, disable auto size. But imagine how funny if I decided calling things not apple, but apple. Would be very funny. Like, imagine everybody doing that. It's just Such a mess of things would be. That's the full color. Let's make it black again. And let's name you green. Yes. Just like so. Okay. So further we need radio buttons. Would be fun if again I am doing this video rendering, editing everything. Not rendering, I'm not doing any video editing, but like in old videos you see my microphone is not willing to cooperate with me so much. Please load. Three of them, and your font size is too big for you, so let's make it 13. Yeah, no, 13 works. Make this a bit smaller. This upper, this smaller as well. This lower, and this can stay up here with this thing. Centered everything. Looks a bit off though. Yeah, we can make it a bit smaller, like 10 pixels. Yep. Like so. Okay, so first option is 9 by 12. Why are you creating so many numbers with scaling? So first things, let's you move here. Let's put the text. Your text is gonna be 9 by 12. Your text is gonna be 12 by 15. 12 by 15. And yours were 9 by 12. And you, what is moving? 18 by 24. See, it's moving. Why? This time you have no specifications on how to name them, how to. So I guess I'm gonna go myself and call you. Let me quickly name the everything. So it's text box amount, BT calculator, 9 by 12. Let's put radio option, radio S1, radio S2. Stay in place, please. Radio S3. Okay. And you label the result like the last time. And let's double click calculator to get to the user interface, to the coding space. Now let's get the code. This time I'm gonna get the code because I don't wanna get too much confused. I'm gonna refactor them afterwards. Also, sometimes I'm speaking too quietly, so for that I'm still getting used to speaking on the mic and stuff. So we have double threads equal threads equals 0, int n equals 0, double sum equals 0 if radio is did not have any better names for them either. How pathetic. Threads equals 8.5. Oh no, so I have to do all this for all three of them. Alright. S2 and S3. For S2, 10. Also, what is this coding quantity? Do you see there's a space and there's no space? Why? 15.5. Okay. N equals convert to I'm gonna go in the type paths. Let's what do you call that text box amount? The text out. What did you out? And good boy. So let's go with the sum equals n times price. And the result label result equals dollar. We use the dollar to assign variables, so no, we don't have thousands of pluses in the code to and let's say price. Let's think that it's C. Oh, we have to remove the dollar sign, I guess. I wonder what it could be though. Let me make this big screen. This alone doesn't work. Does this alone work? What if I remove views? Oh, because I'm okay. I did not pay attention to that. So sorry. Okay. Yeah, that was kind of a stupid mistake. And it took me a second to realize. Let's to string C. C quantitatia and to string. Oh, we can just do just N for now. And then photography. And new line. And that's summa comienzi. That being the total price. It's gonna be just sum. Now that we got all this, so Did I miss anything? Yes. To string big C. Now if you run this code. Oh no, not this one. This one is done. This one is done. Okay, let's run this one. So 9 by 12. 1. It has a dollar mark. What did you do it? Oh, C for currency. My bad. I forgot C stands for currency for a bit. So let's make the quantity as well. New line. Let's make this text size. Text size font. Where's the font? Let's make it 12 and give it a little more space. Just like so. Let's run it. One. Okay. So $8.50 total. So this one. Two of them. One of them. Yep, everything alright. So we need to add a bit more code. Let's think. So let's add the click events. And we have to label results.text equals string.empty. Text box amount text equals string.empty and tb amount focus and something else. No, there's something else. What is it? Oh, yeah, right. Text changed, right? Yep. So let's go text changed and but dot text dot length. So basically now what we're doing is the amount the text box amount, if it's equals to when typing, if it's equal to 0, it's gonna disable the button. So bt calculus the dot enabled, it's equal to false. But this code can be shortened again by, you guessed it, just do this and it's equal to this. Yeah, that's basically what you have to do, how you save yourself like two if statements for this, and also label result dot text equals string dot empty. So empty the text box, mistyped. So one more thing. Next thing. So key list. We need to hook the key list event as well. Key press event. Let's move this aside a bit because it's got a bit of code. So if e.keychar bigger than 0, and e.keychar smaller or equal than 9, return. So if char dot is control e.keychar, then if e.keychar equals case dot enter, yes, char button 1 bt calculează dot focus and return, I guess, e.100 equals to okay. So let's start the application. So now I should be able to press just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1. I cannot press any other keys, and if I enter, yeah, it's not an equal, it's a not equal. So now if it's one, it's gonna be able, but if it's nothing, it's not gonna be able to. So to make this completed, uh let's let's disable this button. So let's go to events, enabled to false, like so. Good. So we need to add 3 more dimensions. Copying them. Just like so. Okay. Keeping the name of the other ones, which are radio S3. Let's name this radio S4, radio S5, and radio S6. So let's say your radio 24 by 24. You have, now let's see, your 12 by 12, 15 by 15, and 24 by 24. Do they all have the event? They don't have the event hooked to them. So Let's copy the event name and let's go here to click and let's set the event as well. So now we should have 6 of them hooked, right? 6, yes. Okay, now this code 3 more times. It's ending here. So we go here, here. For let's make it 12, 15, and 24. Okay, yeah, that should be all the code. Let's test this one once more so you can see everything works. 12, sending me this. 12, $10, $15.15, $12, $15, 100 total, and $25 to 180 total. Yep. So this was me on C# programming right now, also web development. You can contact me, I can do submissions, I can do commissions for you. You can like, subscribe, check my code in GitHub. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.